Hello everyone, how to add page number in Canva. So let's start. So here in presentation, I'm going to add page number. So go to the left hand side and click on the text option. And here in text, in dynamic text, click on the page number option. In page number, select the format. The number only default selected. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the different option is available. Page plus number, example page 1, and page x of y, like example page 1 of 10. So I select here the second one, page plus number. Now in show numbers on, total 7 pages is available in this presentation. Just click on this drop down arrow here, the default selected the all pages. If you don't want any pages, so deselect it, and now you can see 1 of 6. Okay, if you want only current page, then select the current page number. Okay, so I click on the done, and here the appearance and position apply the properties to all the pages. So that's it. And you can see in the presentation, the right hand side bottom, the page number here showing, and the second page also page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, and 6. And 7 page number, the page is not showing because I deselect that page 7. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.